Hello friends, it's Mary Ann. Welcome to my channel. These are the 4 roses that I bought, and it is True Bloom roses. It has a nice orange color. And this rose is it grows 3 by 3 feet wide and 3 feet tall. It has a mild fragrance. The foliage is glossy green and it needs full sun. This is good for container. This is the other one, so I bought 2 of that. And this is a very nice rose. It's True Bloom roses. This is a Floribunda rose. It costs $17.98 from Home Depot. And this one is bird. It is white, and this is also 2.5 to 3.5 feet tall. This is premium and it's $14.98 the price. This is also good for containers. Ideal for cut flowers. And this is the other one. So that's the other one. And this is also from True Blooms. And this is 3 by 3 feet tall. Needs full sun. It is good for containers. It has an orange-pink bicolor flowers with fragrance, peppery smell. And another one here. My heirloom rose. So this is Pretty in Pink Eden Rose. And this is Lady Penelope. And this is Zephirine Drouhin. And this is a climber.